PancakeSwap is a popular decentralized exchange (DX) and marketplace on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC) network. Here's a brief summary. What is PancakeSwap Marketplace? PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies, tokens, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, in a trustless and permissionless manner. The marketplace is built on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC) network, which offers faster and cheaper transactions compared to other blockchain networks. Key features: 1. Decentralized exchange (DEX). Users can trade cryptocurrencies and tokens without the need for intermediaries. 2. AMM automated market maker. PancakeSwap uses an automated market maker system to provide liquidity and facilitate trades. 3. NFT marketplace. Users can buy, sell, and create unique digital assets (NFTs) on the platform. 4. Lottery and games. PancakeSwap offers various games and lottery systems that reward users with tokens and NFTs. Things to know before starting to make money online with PancakeSwap Marketplace in 2024. 1. Understand the risks. Trading cryptocurrencies and NFTs carries inherent risks, including market volatility, security risks, and regulatory uncertainties. 2. Familiarize yourself with Binance Smart Chain. Understand the basics of the Binance Smart Chain network, including its token economy, gas fees, and transaction speeds. 3. Use reputable wallets. Ensure you use a secure and reputable wallet to store your tokens and NFTs. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, tokens, and NFTs to minimize risk. 5. Stay up to date with market trends. Keep an eye on market trends, news, and developments to make informed investment decisions. 6. Use tools and resources. Utilize PancakeSwap's built-in tools, such as price charts and analytics, to make informed decisions. 7. Be aware of regulatory changes. Stay informed about regulatory changes and updates that may impact your investments. Conclusion: PancakeSwap Marketplace offers a unique opportunity for users to participate in decentralized trading and NFT marketplaces. However, it's essential to understand the risks involved and take necessary precautions to protect your investments. Stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and use reputable tools to maximize your chances of success in the world of PancakeSwap.